protector. Peacocks. An albino peacock too. What do you think of that, Elizabeth? It's peacocks.
Wow.
Peacock. Say hi, peacock. Hi. It's almost a quack quack. It looks like a quack quack. There's a pig. It's a piggy bank.
Come on, come on, come on. Say hi. Be nice. Hi. They might bite you. Say hi. The chicken. Here's the quack quack bit. Elizabeth. Right here. Quack 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 quack. Wow. Quack 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 quack.
Careful with her fingers. I don't know about that.
Wow. Yeah. Hi, baby.
Hi.
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 Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. No. He tried to bite her too just now.
Do you want to see the bar?
Ba ba. Hi duckies. Hi chickens.
Oh, wow.
Quack, 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 quack.
It's quack, 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 quack.
No, he's about to bite her.
Yeah, let's go to the bar. Come on. Let's go right
Quack, quack.
here. Let's see the oink oink.
Hi piggy.
What's the sound of the pig?
Oink oink.
Touch.
Oink oink. No, I think you can touch. You just can't feed it. It says here.
Say
Be a
hi.
little careful.
What's the sound of the pig? There it is. Right here. Look.
Hi buddy. Hi.
Oh my gosh, she is loving this.
Hi.
Say oink oink.
Oink oink.
What's the sound of the pig?
Oink oink.
Oink oink. Yeah, be gentle.
Be nice. Say hi buddy.
Hi. No, not that mouth. Not the mouth. Wow. What's the sound of the pig? You love these, huh?
Hi buddy.
There's another one. Sleeping. Say
Hi.
What's the sound of the pig? What's the sound of the pig? Look at Daddy. Hi, baby.
Hi buddy.
Hi. Say hi. Be gentle. Whoa. Wow. Right here. Oh, what's that?
Hi.
What's this? It's a bar.
Hi. Please only feed me Cheerios from the dispenser. I can't eat corn. Careful with her hands a bit. I think she's okay, but... Oh, you gotta pay. I don't have any quarters on me.
Yeah. Say hi.
Hi.
What's the sound of this one? It's a bar.
Ah.
Oh my goodness. You love this, huh? Wanna see more?
There's cow down there. This way, Elizabeth. Come on. Elizabeth. Elizabeth.
Let's go to see the moon.
Moo's right there.
There?
Yep. And there's the piggy bank. Piggy bank.
There it is.
Moo.
Ooh. Did you see the moon? Right here. Moo.
Moo. He wants to know what he's doing.
Oh no.
There she goes. Watch out, she's gonna try to hug you like a chicken. No, she won't. Come on, Elizabeth. Watch it. There you go.
You wanna try this? Yeah, she looks cute.
She does.
Oh,
You want me to push her while you? Okay.
Let me just.
Yeah. Sorry, push her. Go.
Oh my gosh. Oh, there's the chicken.
Wow. Wow.
Look at the chickens. They're up in the air.
Look, Elizabeth. Elizabeth, right there.
Wow. There's more. Oh, no. Wow. She's having fun. Oh, my God. Look, she just holds him to this daddy.
She is.
Oh, I want to see the back. Let's look at the back. Hello, it's a turkey.
Wow.
Wow.
Yay.
Wanna go? Okay, let's do it. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Oh no.
Turn.
Oh no.
Turn.
Oh no. Oh, there's the bunny. There's the bunny.
Bunny.
Did you see the bunny? It's the bunny. Hop, hop, hop.
Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny.
Okay,
Hop,
you
hop,
ready?
hop.
We are ready, Daddy. Woo! Oh my gosh. Here's the bunny. Here's the bunny. Here's the bunny.
Wow.
The rabbit.
Hop, little bunny. Hop, hop, hop. What does the bunny say, Elizabeth?
Bunny say.
What does the rabbit say?
Hop, hop, hop.
Hop, hop.
Oh, you done? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh, it hurts right there.
There's a big one over there with a nice seat. No, no. No, no, stay this side. Yeah, that blue one.
Okay.
Okay.
Gosh, it's hard to handle.
Yeah, you gotta get going. You need to start at the top of the hill. All right, let's push her. Let's push her, Elizabeth. Let's push mommy. You got it? Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Nay. Hi, Elizabeth, it's mommy. Look at mommy. Elizabeth, look at mommy. Look at mommy. There she goes. Bye, mommy. Hop, little bunny, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little bunny. It's a goose. Hi there, goose. Draco. Yeah, there is a moo over there. Ooh. Good dog, good dog, good dog, good dog. Oh, yeah. Up there, it's a meow meow. There's a meow meow up there, cat.
Mommy.
Oh, let's go get mommy. Yeah. Nay. 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 What does the horsey say? What does it say? Yeah. What does the horsey say? Nay. That's it. What does the cow say? Moo. Yeah. Oh, look at the rats. The mice trying to steal the cow's cheese and milk. See? She's trying the one with no tire.
Elizabeth, do you want to try this one? Let's try this one.
You gonna push her?
No, I got it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's the moo.
Moo. That's a bull. Here they come. Is that it? Can I push her? Okay. 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 Yay! Oh, there they are.
Look at Daddy, Elizabeth. Oh no.
Yay!
Yay! Bye. Bye. Wanna say hi? Hi, Bonnie.
Say hi, little hop hop. Give them space.
Look at Daddy, Elizabeth.
Hi, Elizabeth. Hi, Elizabeth. Hop hop.
There's more hop hop. Eating carrots.
You want to say hi?
Hi. Hi, hop hop. Hi.
She went off.
done?
She's done.
She's done.
No, no. No, no. Nope, nope. Nope, nope, nope.
Elizabeth, look. Look at Mommy a bit. Boom. Boom. Oh no. Oh. Oh, it hurt my my knees.
Come on, Bit. Come on, Elizabeth.
Oh.
Elizabeth, come on. Hop up. Yum, yummy, yum, yummy. He's eating. He's eating. You want some help?
Oh no, my legs are
Oh. Tell me what I can push and I'll push. Don't push?
okay.
Okay. All right. You having fun with that?
Oh yeah.
You have more fun than Elizabeth.
Woo.
Hello. Hi. Yeah. 4 minutes, yeah. Moo. Say, what's this say? What's the horse say? What does the horsey say?
The horsey got a big eyes. Oh, do you
Oh.
want one? Okay.
Oh, I'm hot.
Oh, me too.
Okay. Did you see the rats in the back?
Oh, yeah.
Stealing the cheese?
Okay, let's get started.
Okay. Oh, she got so much video, baby. You'll have like two videos out of this.